Hey there guys, Chet here. Let's be honest. Your brain is probably full of 100 great ideas all tangled together like a ball of yarn. But how do you untangle them and turn them into a clear plan? You need a great mind mapping tool, and today we're reviewing one of the most popular and easiest to use in the world, and it's a tool called MindMeister. So what exactly is MindMeister? It is a web-based collaborative mind mapping application. Its entire purpose is to make it incredibly simple for you and your team to visually organize your thoughts. You start with a central idea in the middle of the screen, and then you can quickly create different branches for all of your other ideas, creating a beautiful map of your project or your brainstorm. Now, its number one strength is real-time collaboration. It is really built from the ground up for teams. You can invite your entire team to your mind map, and you can all work on it together at the same time, seeing each other's different changes live. It's the perfect tool for running a team brainstorming session. Now, the first thing you will notice when you use MindMeister is how clean and simple the interface really is. It's very intuitive, and you can create your first mind map in just a few minutes without needing to watch any long tutorials. It's a huge plus. It also comes with a huge library of beautiful pre-made templates for all kinds of tasks, really, like planning a business strategy or taking meeting notes. But one of its best features is the built-in presentation mode. With just one click, MindMeister can turn your entire map into a dynamic animated slideshow. This is a fantastic way to present your ideas to your team or your clients in a clear, step-by-step way. Now let's talk about price. MindMeister has an excellent free plan that is perfect for most people getting started. The free plan gives you up to 3 mind maps. It includes all of the core features like unlimited collaborators and templates. It is a very generous offering. Now, if you need to create more maps, their paid plans are also very affordable. Their personal plan is just $4.50 per user per month and gives you unlimited mind maps. The Pro plan is $6.50 per user per month. It's great for small teams. And the business plan at $10.50 per user per month is for larger teams that need advanced security and support. So, what is my final review? MindMeister is really one of the best online mapping tools on the market. It's incredibly easy to use, its collaboration features are fantastic, and its free plan is more than enough for most people. If you need to organize your thoughts, either by yourself or with a team, it is an amazing choice. All right, that's it for this review. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.